Hi folks, Gordon Brewer here with the Practice of Therapy. I just wanted to give everyone a quick tutorial on how to embed a Google form on your website. And in this short tutorial, I just walk you through how you do that. So as I tell people in my G Suite course, G Suite for Therapists, the best place to open any of your Google, especially if you're opening a new document or a new form or a new Google Sheet or whatever you're creating in G Suite, is start from the Drive folder that you're working in. So you can see here I'm just in my Google Drive. These are my Practice of Therapy files here, and I'm just going to click on New here and then go down to More and then click on Google Forms to create a new Google form. Now I'm not going to open this right now. I'm not going to click on that right now because I've already got a form that I've already created. So this is the e-course survey form that I created earlier. And as you can see, I've done a lot of formatting to this. You can actually change this picture up here. I think the standard color is purple when you open a new Google form, but you can just change the colors there and do all kinds of neat things there. But I'm not going to go into that. If you, real quickly on a Google form, when you open it, you give the form a name here. And you'll notice here on these two tabs. So these are your questions, and then when people start responding, you can click on this tab and see the responses that they've given. And so it gives you an overview, a summary, which are all the responses in a graph form, as you can see, and also the different individual responses. Or you can click on the individual responses and you can see what each person put down for their response, and you can tab through those right here. But let's go back up here. Let me show you real quickly how you would add questions. When you create your survey, it'll give you your first question here, but just click over here on this add question, and you ask your question, and then you choose what format you want it to be answered in. So it can either be a short answer, a paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes. You can create a drop-down menu response. There's a linear scale, so like if you want somebody to rate something 1 to 10 or something like that. There's a multiple choice grid you can do as well, and a checkbox grid. So the difference between multiple choice and check boxes is that multiple choice, they can only answer one question, and check boxes, they can answer multiple. So that's how you add those. I'm going to just delete this question since I don't need it, but that's how you add questions to the Google form. Then once you've got your form completed, one other thing I wanted to mention here is on your responses. If you want your responses put into a Google Sheet, you can just click on this little green box here, and that'll let you view it in the Google Sheet. And you can see I've already set up a Google Sheet here with the different responses on it. Close that out. So it's working here. So, okay, when you get ready to embed your form, what you want to do is click on Send, and then go over here to this little embed signal, and you'll see there's a bit of code here, some iframe HTML code. And so all you have to do is just copy that code, and then you go to your website. Now I'm using WordPress for my website, but in WordPress, what you need to do is make sure you're clicked on the text box here, and then you just paste the text, that bit of code here. And you can see it's, if you go back here to visual, it's got that form embedded in here. And then I'm going to update this, and we'll see what it actually looks like on the website. So I'm going to view page. And so there you have it. The form is embedded on my website, and when people go to answer this form on the website, it will put it automatically into the Google Drive where this e-course is, and also create a spreadsheet with the responses there on it. So that's how you do it. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Don't let it intimidate you. Play around with it. And that's it. Take care, folks.